Hi, I'm Kevin. Nice to see you again. I'm getting ready to make a simple and simply delicious blueberry dessert. Officially, the dessert is called blueberry buckle. Anyway, first thing you need to do is heat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and then grease a 1-quart baking dish. And I wanted to show you that I finally got wise and I have been labeling my baking dishes with a Sharpie to indicate the volume they hold. All right, let's get started. So the first thing we need is 1 cup of sugar, and just pour that into a large mixing bowl. And then this next step is, or next ingredient, is absolutely optional. You can add the zest of 1 lemon. You don't have to add it, but the lemon will definitely add another layer of flavor. And then use your fingers to rub the sugar and the zest together until the sugar becomes nice and fragrant. Okay. Then whisk in 1 cup of self-rising flour. And I wanted to show you, I store my flour in a glass jar like this. And if you don't have self-rising flour, you can make it yourself. And let me just read off the ingredients. Oops, wrong way. I always do that. I'm not sure why. Anyway, to make your own self-rising flour, whisk together 1 cup of all-purpose flour, a ½ teaspoon of salt, and 1½ teaspoons of baking powder. And that's it. You've got self-rising flour. Now back to our recipe. Okay. So now we're going to whisk in the self-rising flour. Again, that's 1 cup. And then whisk in 1 cup of milk. I'm using whole milk. Yeah, this is one of those super simple recipes that doesn't require any special ingredients beyond a bowl and a whisk. Then whisk in 1 stick, that's 113 grams, of melted butter. Yum. Yeah, you know this dessert is going to be wonderful because it contains 1 stick of butter. All right. We've already made our batter. Then tip the batter into the greased baking dish. And then let me center this so you can see a little better. Then take 2 cups of blueberries. These are freshly picked blueberries from the berry farm in Chatham, New York, because today is July 8th or 9th, I'm not sure. Anyway, it's blueberry season. So these are the early blueberries. I'm going to use my hand to just scatter these as evenly as possible over the top of the batter. This is not hard to do. Already it's starting to look like a pretty dessert. And of course this is going to puff up in the oven. And the blueberries will be visible on top. We'll just shake the rest of them in here. All hither-dither. Okay, or all helter-skelter. And then top this off with a 1/4 cup of sugar. Yay! It may seem like a lot of sugar, but hey, this is a dessert, all right? And the sugar is going to create a nice caramelized top. And then this goes into the oven until, let's see if I can do it right this time. Nope. One of these days, I'll get the zoom button figured out. This goes into the oven until the top browns and caramelizes a little, and it buckles. It'll have maybe some little splits in it. And that will take about 1 hour. So we'll be back. Now, while the dessert is baking, I hope you'll take a moment to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also, be sure to tap the little bell icon so you can receive notifications whenever I upload a new video. I know the videos are not professional. Well, they're just not. It's me and a camcorder. But the videos are honest and obviously unscripted. And what else did I want to say? Oh yes, that I have tons more recipes to share with you. Appetizers, main courses, desserts, beverages, you name it. Okay, I'll see you when the dessert is ready. Here's the buckle, all caramelized. You can see all the nice brown caramelization around here. And it's still bubbling hot, so we have to let it cool down, for about 20 minutes. And then one of us is going to have a taste of it. Oh, I forgot to mention, this is the kind of dessert you can serve really at any temperature. Warm at room temperature or even cold from the fridge. So besides being great for dessert, it's also excellent for breakfast. And the buckle is still quite hot right now, but I don't care. I'm hungry. So here we go. Blueberry buckle. First piece is always kind of hard to remove. Oh, this looks so good. And of course, it smells marvelous. I can smell both the blueberries and the lemon. And of course, we need some ice cream to go along with our buckle. There we go. So this is what it looks like. Bottoms up. No matter how many times I've made this, I never grow tired of it. It's such an easy dessert. And so delicious. Just need some ice cream. Blueberry buckle and ice cream, a heavenly combination. So, let me make sure I don't have blueberry all over my lips. I'm going to post the list of ingredients in the description box below. Just click show more and you'll find them. And I will also include the metric measurements for my Canadian and European friends. And by the way, if metric measurements are important to you, please speak up in the comments field below. And I hope you'll give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching. Again, I wish you could be here to help me eat this buckle. And I'll see you very soon with another delicious recipe. Bye for now.